Hey y'all, this is a 10-minute intention setting flow made to help you clear your energy, reconnect with yourself, and plant your intentional seeds for the day, week, or for your session. My name is Leah and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. Let us begin. Namaste. We're going to start off by sitting in a comfortable seating position, and I want you to lengthen your spine and rest your hands over your heart or on your knees. You're going to close your eyes and slowly inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. I want you to feel your body soften into this moment as you embody this affirmation. I am present, I am grounded, and I'm open to receiving clarity. You're going to inhale, lifting your right arm up, and exhale, leaning to the left, opening the right side of your body. And I want you to focus on your deep breathing in this side stretch. And we're going to gently switch sides, keeping our bones grounded and our chest open as you absorb this affirmation. I subconsciously create space for new intentions to enter into my life now. We're going to inhale, lengthening our spine, and exhale, twisting to the right, placing our left hand on our knee. I want you to take slow and deep breaths in this gentle seated twist before we switch sides. And we're going to switch to our left side as you align yourself with this affirmation. I release what no longer aligns with who I'm becoming. We're going to transition into a tabletop position. We're going to inhale, dropping our belly and lifting our chest into cow pose. And we're going to exhale, rounding our spine and tucking in our chin into cat pose. I want you to slowly synchronize your breath and your movement as you listen to this affirmation and set your intention. I subconsciously welcome ease, flow, and alignment into my body and my life. We're going to transition by tucking in our toes and lifting into downward dog. And I want you to pedal your feet out gently and soften your jaw. And we're going to slowly walk to the top of the mat and fold forward, letting our head hang as we absorb this affirmation. I subconsciously trust the path unfolding for me. We're going to transition by reaching our arms up, and we're going to exhale, folding back into forward fold. We're going to inhale into half lift, and we're going to exhale back into forward fold. We're going to slowly and mindfully repeat this half sun salutation as we absorb this affirmation. My intentions guide every step I take. We're going to slowly transition by stepping our right foot back into low lunge and dropping our knee. We're going to lift both arms or place our hands on our heart, and I want you to feel your chest gently opening before you switch sides. And we're going to switch to our left side as you embody this affirmation. I am subconsciously open to possibilities, and I am aligned with my highest good. We're going to transition back into a comfortable seating position, and I want you to rest your hands on your heart. I want you to inhale deeply through your nose and exhale long from your mouth. Think of one intention you want to claim for this week, this session, or just in general. It could be something gentle or something true. I move forward with purpose, clarity, and trust. My intentions are already manifesting in my energy. At this time, thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video helped you, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. I will see you guys in the next one. Namaste.